If your HubSpot is already messy, the last thing you need is another integration dumping more records into it. This tutorial shows how Knock AI does the opposite. It improves your HubSpot data by syncing only what you want, updating only what you allow, and logging full conversation context automatically. Let's open the Knock AI dashboard and click on the HubSpot integration from the sidebar. Step 1 is deciding which contacts are allowed to be created in HubSpot. You have 3 options. Engaged contacts. Create a contact record for anyone who sent a message or tried to book a meeting, even if they're not qualified yet. Approved contacts. Contacts are created only after Knock qualifies the lead and routes it to a human rep. You can also choose to not create new contacts. Then you can tighten it further with filters. You choose the intent types you want to sync. For example, only lead with buying or support intent. And you can turn on business emails only, so private emails are never created as contacts. Every contact that gets created also receives the same HubSpot enrichment you're used to getting from HubSpot forms. So you don't lose enrichment when you replace forms. In addition, Knock automatically adds the chat transcript, engagement history, and detected intent to the HubSpot activity timeline. Now let's talk about field mapping. Knock AI lets you map every Knock field to your own HubSpot properties. For each field, you decide the rule. Either update the field only if it's empty or allow Knock to override it. This is where enrichment becomes powerful. Knock adds rich contact data, company info, intent signals, and attribution. Now, how you make sure the sync works correctly. Inside the Knock dashboard, you can see exactly which contacts and accounts were synced to HubSpot in real time and which fields were updated on each record. The result is simple: cleaner data for marketing ops, more trust in the CRM for RevOps, full visibility in Knock dashboard. Let's Knock.